So this is going to be a short lesson on how to do slow motion or very quick motion, I guess, to speed stuff up in Sony Vegas. So firstly, we're going to have to go into files, and we're going to import ourselves some media first. Alright, so now let's go find something that I want. Let's say I want this GTA footage here. Now just wait for it to load up. After opening it, just drag it down like you normally would. Alright, and then after doing that, just scroll down until you see it all. Now, integral to this, you want to go to the edge. You want to go to the edge of the clip. You want to click on control until this squiggly line pops up and it says time stretch. You can go down in time, and you can go up in time. When you go this way, it makes everything quicker, as you can see. But when done this way, it makes everything go way more slower. For example, around here, the control is time stretch works also on sound, and so that's how you make clips shorter and longer, slow motion, and how you speed up clips in Sony Vegas. Thanks for watching.